Guys, are you worried that AI will take your job? Or worst case, has it already taken your job? But don't worry, in this video, I am going to give you 3 life-saving tips that can help you stay ahead of AI. One is take a step back and analyze your current or previous job. Just break it down into different tasks and see how much of it can be done using AI. For example, if you're an HR professional and one of the daily tasks is to scan the email, look at the leave request, reach out to the manager, and then update the leave tracker. Suppose you have to do all these things in a day, right? So you can use AI to automate this entire thing. You can build a single workflow which will automate all these things that will save you a lot of time and energy. So you should know that, okay, 40% or 50% or 80% of your job can be done using AI, and you should immediately switch to AI whenever it comes to, automating or increasing your productivity. Second, and the most important thing is stop avoiding AI. I have seen many people running away from AI saying, okay, I am not from IT background. I don't know coding. I am 50 years old. I don't want to learn coding at this age. But that is a myth. These days, we are seeing so easy to use tools, no code tools, low code tools, which you can, easily communicate in plain, simple English language or even your regional language. You can communicate and you can get things done. You can get research done, analysis done, apps built. So that is how the thing is evolving. You should stop worrying about learning AI and you should directly dive into it, start using tools. And this will also help you in tip number one. This will also help you assess your current job uh, to understand how much of it can be automated. Third and very important step is to stay up to date with the current developments in AI. Yes, every week some new development is happening, some crazy development is happening, new tools are coming up, new models are coming up, and you need to be up to date with all these developments because it so may happen that you are still using ChatGPT as if it is 2023. But if you compare the ChatGPT from 3 years ago, you will see a lot of difference, lot of new functionalities. It has become so improved, so better. So many new functionalities are there. So you need to continuously stay up to date. You need to make sure that all the AI tools that you are using, those are the best tools in the market, and there is no other tool that can do it in a more cheaper and in a more efficient way. I hope this is clear now. If you follow these steps, AI will not negatively impact your career. And the most important thing is that you need to use these AI tools in a very responsible way, and that thing will be covered in my next video.